Quick and easy dinner recipes. Are you constantly juggling work, family, and a million other things, leaving you with little time to cook a healthy dinner? Do you find yourself staring into the abyss of your refrigerator, wishing a delicious home-cooked meal would magically appear? Well, fret no more, my friends. In this video, we're diving into 5 incredibly easy dinner recipes that are perfect for beginners and anyone short on time. We're talking fresh, flavorful meals that come together in minutes, proving that you don't need to be a master chef to enjoy delicious and healthy dinners. Get ready for a whirlwind of vibrant flavors and simple techniques as we unlock the secrets to stress-free cooking. Our first culinary adventure takes us to the sunny shores of Greece, where fresh ingredients and vibrant flavors reign supreme. The Mediterranean diet is celebrated for its health benefits and delicious taste. Imagine sinking your teeth into a warm pita bread, generously filled with creamy feta cheese, juicy tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, and a sprinkle of fragrant oregano. The combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. This, my friends, is the magic of the Greek Feta Sandwich. Don't let its simplicity fool you. This sandwich is packed with healthy fats, protein, and vitamins, making it a light yet satisfying dinner option. It's perfect for those who want a quick, nutritious meal without compromising on taste. Simply slice open a pita bread and layer it with crumbled feta cheese. Next, add a generous handful of chopped tomatoes and cucumbers for a burst of refreshing flavor and satisfying crunch. Finally, sprinkle with dried oregano and a drizzle of olive oil for an authentic taste of the Mediterranean. The olive oil adds a rich, smooth finish that ties all the flavors together. The beauty of this recipe lies in its versatility. Feel free to add other ingredients that speak to your taste buds. The possibilities are endless. Some sliced red onions for a bit of zest? Absolutely. A handful of Kalamata olives for a salty bite? Go for it. Remember, cooking should be an adventure, a way to express your creativity in the kitchen. It's about enjoying the process as much as the final product. So don't be afraid to experiment and make this recipe your own. Each bite should be a reflection of your personal taste and culinary journey. Next up, we're conquering the art of pizza making, but with a fun and easy twist. Forget about slaving over homemade dough. Our secret weapon is readily available at your local grocery store, naan bread. This Indian flatbread serves as the perfect canvas for your pizza creations, offering a slightly chewy texture that complements a variety of toppings. The best part? Naan pizzas cook up in a flash, making them ideal for busy weeknights or impromptu pizza parties. Simply spread a thin layer of your favorite pizza sauce over the naan bread. Then, let your imagination run wild with toppings. Shredded mozzarella cheese is a classic choice, but feel free to experiment with other cheeses like provolone, cheddar, or even crumbled goat cheese. For a veggie-packed delight, add sliced bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, or spinach. If you're craving a meaty fiesta, go for cooked ground beef, sausage, or pepperoni. Pop your creations into a preheated oven for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And there you have it, a delicious and customizable naan pizza that's ready in a fraction of the time it takes to order takeout. Sheet Pan Lemon Veggies. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. Let's be honest, sometimes the last thing we want to do after a long day is spend hours in the kitchen, scrubbing pots and pans. The thought of a complicated recipe can be overwhelming. That's where the magic of sheet pan meals comes in. They are a lifesaver for busy weeknights or lazy weekends. Our Sheet Pan Lemon Veggies recipe is a testament to the beauty of simplicity, requiring minimal effort while delivering maximum flavor and nutrition. It's perfect for anyone looking to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen. The star of the show? A vibrant medley of fresh vegetables coated in a light and zesty lemon dressing. This combination brings out the natural flavors of the veggies. Preheat your oven and line a baking sheet with parchment paper for effortless cleanup. This step ensures that you spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Chop your favorite vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Broccoli florets, Brussels sprouts, carrots, bell peppers, and red onions are all excellent choices. Feel free to mix and match based on what you have on hand. Toss the vegetables with a drizzle of olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, and pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural taste of the vegetables. Spread them out in a single layer on the baking sheet and pop them in the oven to roast. Make sure they are evenly spaced for the best results. As the vegetables bake, the lemon juice works its magic, caramelizing the edges and infusing them with a bright, citrusy flavor. The aroma will fill your kitchen, making your mouth water. The result? a symphony of flavors and textures that will leave you feeling satisfied and nourished. It's a dish that proves you don't need to sacrifice taste for convenience. Cheater's Pad. Thai, takeout flavors, homemade ease. Craving the bold and flavorful experience of pad thai but don't want to order takeout? You're in luck. Our Cheater's Pad Thai recipe is here to satisfy your cravings with a fraction of the effort. It's quick, easy, and incredibly delicious. This 15-minute wonder captures the essence of this beloved Thai dish, combining rice noodles, scrambled eggs, and a symphony of flavors in a single pan. It's perfect for busy weeknights or a quick lunch. Get ready to impress your taste buds with a dish that's as delicious as it is easy to prepare. You won't believe how simple it is to make this restaurant-quality meal at home. Start by cooking rice noodles according to package directions. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect texture. While the noodles are cooking, whisk together a simple sauce using soy sauce, fish sauce, lime juice, brown sugar, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. This sauce is the heart of the dish, bringing all the flavors together. Heat some oil in a large skillet or wok and scramble a couple of eggs. The eggs add a wonderful richness to the dish. Add your favorite protein, tofu, chicken or shrimp, all work beautifully in this recipe. Each option brings its own unique texture and flavor. Once the protein is cooked through, pour in the prepared sauce and let it simmer for a minute or two, allowing the flavors to meld together. This step ensures every bite is packed with flavor. Finally, add the cooked noodles and toss everything together until well coated in the flavorful sauce. Make sure every strand of noodle is covered. Garnish with chopped peanuts, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice for an explosion of textures and aromas. These final touches elevate the dish to a whole new level. Bonus tip: leftover magic. Hold on, my friends, because we're not done yet. I have one final tip to share that will transform your cooking routine and help you minimize food waste. Let's talk about the magic of leftovers. Instead of viewing leftovers as yesterday's news, embrace them as an opportunity to create new and exciting meals. Got some roasted vegetables from our sheet pan lemon veggies recipe? Chop them up and toss them with quinoa and a lemony tahini dressing for a refreshing salad. Leftover Cheater's Pad Thai? Wrap it in lettuce cups for a light and flavorful lunch. The possibilities are endless. By getting creative with leftovers, you'll save time, money, and reduce your environmental impact. It's a win-win situation. And there you have it, 5 incredibly easy dinner recipes that are perfect for beginners and busy individuals alike. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. With a little creativity and the right recipes, you can enjoy delicious and healthy meals even on the busiest of days. For the full list of recipes and detailed instructions, check out the blog post linked in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Shehealth newsletter for weekly tips, recipes, and inspiration straight to your inbox. Speaking of inspiration, our next video is all about creating kid-friendly dinner ideas for picky eaters. We'll be diving into how you can sneak in nutrition under the radar while keeping them entertained at the table. You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more simple health and wellness tips, and see you in the next video.